Hello. Today, we will be learning what common monomial factoring is, and how to do it. First off, what is factoring? In mathematics, factorization, or factoring, consists of writing a number, or another mathematical object, as a product of several factors, usually smaller or simpler objects of the same kind. For example, 3 times 5 is a factorization of the integer 15. And x minus 2 times x plus 2 is a factorization of the polynomial x squared minus 4. A polynomial can only be considered as completely factored when all of the factors are prime. You will know that a factor is a prime factor when it can no longer be expressed as a product of 2 or more polynomials of a lesser degree. For example, 6 cannot be considered as a prime factor because it can still be expressed as 2 times 3. The factor 3, however, can be considered as a prime factor because there is no longer any lesser polynomials that can be used to express it. 3 can be expressed as 3 times 1, but you have to remember that a polynomial is not a prime factor only when it can be expressed by polynomials of a lesser degree. 3 times 1 is not of a lesser degree. Finding the common monomial factor in a polynomial means to choose the monomial with the highest degree and largest integer coefficient that will divide into each term of the polynomial. To find the greatest common factor of 2 monomials, first find the prime factorization of each monomial, including all the variables. Then take the product of all common factors. When you've found the greatest common factor, you then divide each term by the GCF to get the other factor. Remember that when you are dividing variables with the same base, you just subtract the exponents. To test if you've really understood the lesson, here are some more examples you can solve on your own. Just pause the video and click play when you've answered it all to see the solutions.